Light bulbs, set still stone pestles, each lifeless little flesh balloon, and still they are alive. You bend and take their pulse. You rest your head on their hearts, and they beat like the heart of a horse. Why, you will ask, why is this happening? And then, just as fast, you remember. It will appear first in the tundra, but will spread soon to your town. People will fall from awake into the sleep, and not unsleep into waking for days. And then, when you wake into re-waking, you'll not remember a thing, except for the desolate dream of the dreams. The mainland government will take charge. Experts will be brought to this island, and the experiments, they all must be done. Water, soil, plants, and air tested. Body's own fluids will be bound to stand trial. The chyle and the chyme, the blood and the bile, the exudates, gastric juice, and serum will beg for sweet mercy, like the lymph and the mucus, the urine, saliva, and semen. Brains will be dissected with scanners, scalpels, with forceps and trimmers. Many important words will be used. Pandemic outbursts of mass hysteria, syndromic malady of conditionally discordant infection, but people still say plague, sickness, and curse to each other. Nothing can be found to be wrong. No cell will confess to the condition, and you will be afraid. So you decide to come home. You will walk alone on your paths through the forest, and alone again through your city ways, well trod. But you will not be alone. Other men like you are hiding behind doors, locking, in other rooms, in other houses, on other streets. You will roll up your red curtains, up to stay awake, up, but you'll lie down, up, and you'll just rest one eye, up, and you've grown tired of all this. Whatever this is, up, and this must not get in. And yet,